Yo, what is going on, guys? So I just got done clapping these two guys' cheeks, some with sloppy pasta and with Joseph.
Yeah, I can't walk right.
Yeah. Who's just stand, guys? Wow. So I got Joseph, Joey, and yeah, guys, if everything goes well, then you guys probably know what the hell is going on by the title of this video, so it should be a pretty lit day. Alright guys, so we have a lot planned today. Right now we're about to head over to Lake Elsinore and we're gonna go to my boy's garage. Must be a nice garage. I've been there once, or actually a few times. He's the one that painted my duckbill. I know you guys remember him. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna grub first. I need gas and we're gonna head over to a shop and I'm gonna get some work done on the SGK and I'm so hyped. So first of all, I'm gonna get, like, I know you guys see like those like swirl marks right there. I got those right there on the door, and if I can pick it up, but my hood has a lot of swirl marks. You see that guy? Look at that. Yeah, so I'm gonna get that fixed, and we're also gonna have a little install for the S2000 while we're there. Alright guys, so we just got to the shop. We're currently waiting for him to get here. He should be here any second now.
Where the fuck you at, bro?
Ah, didn't see you there. What's up guys? Welcome back to Alright, but for real guys, so yeah, this is a diffuser. So it's selling it to me for dirt cheap. So for dirt cheap, I am gonna have to repair it a little bit. So this is my first time. I'm gonna put some resin on it. So come here. We got this massive crack right here. So I'm gonna put resin on it and harden it. And we got another crack right here. And yeah, just another crack. It's basically the cracks are over where the exhaust goes, and then just one over here. But that's not too bad. We're gonna paint them black, so
not the whole thing.
Yeah, not the whole thing. We're just gonna paint this crack just black so you don't really notice it. And then we're gonna paint like this little cutout for the exhaust black too, so it should look pretty cool. I'm hyped, so yeah. But guys, you guys see all this crazy ass shit going on? So we got a bag that RXA right here. It's gonna get a full paint job. That's gonna be fucking sick.
Go ahead, do what you want.
And then what is that? Oh, but guys, these are drunken goggles.
Bro, your face is crooked.
Try and walk in a straight line. Full, like, toe to toe.
Fuck you, alright, I got you. Bro, these things are a fucking trip, dude. I got that shit easy.
Hey, so you wear them before you get drunk, so by the time you wear them again, you can see really.
Low key. You wanna try?
Way more than that, so try to squish it harder. It's starting to smell it now. It'll be good right there. Ooh.
Nothing.
I don't know what to say.
Yeah, that's why he's the weirdest.
I can barely smell it. I think I'm getting sick, low-key.
Oh, that shit smells fire.
Okay, yeah.
It smells good or what? Oh, that smells real good. I'm really afraid you're gonna be sloppy all day.
Oh, yeah.
Sloppy pasta.
Oh, yeah, that's his fucking name. Low-key, I can see how this could be fun.
I would hate to cut fiberglass though.
No.
That's not.
You don't get itchy? You get used to it though, actually. At first you're like a crackhead, but then you get used to it. You can use that, that's fine.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I fucked it up. Like, straight up, I fucked it up.
No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, so right now it's just hardening, so after that dries up, I'm gonna put another layer, and hopefully it's good after that. But it's my first time doing it, guys, and it's not that bad. Honestly, I can see this being fun. That's cool. I'm proud of this shit right here, bro. That looks beast.
Shit focuses.
Take care of you.
Can you really? Oh yeah.
Alright guys, so right now when I pulled it out into the sun, you saw all the streaks that I have on the hood, and it just straight up looks bad. So my boy Gil is about to bless me real quick. You guys will see. But yeah guys, that shit was bothering the fuck out of me. Especially the door. You can't see it right now, but and lighting.
Want to put your window up though?
Oh yeah, I'll put it. About this shit. That's it. Alright guys, so the resin has hardened, and we were gonna put like a little bit of Bond over it and then paint it, but low-key's getting pretty late, so we're just gonna say fuck it and just paint that black, because I don't think it's gonna be noticeable. But shouldn't look too bad, and if anything I'll just repair it again later. But yeah. So yeah, we're pretty much gonna send it like that. So that portion right there is gonna be black. I don't think it should look too bad, honestly. And same with this side. But let's hope for the best. And we're also gonna paint this little crack right here. So yeah, honestly I don't think it's gonna be too noticeable, just one little black line on the carbon fiber. So most of it's still gonna be carbon fiber. We got the edges and the big middle piece, and you'll probably be able to see a little bit of right here too. So yeah, send it.
It still looks
Joe, you got the top of it. Did you wake up tonight?
No, it's for my, it's my Viper alarm. It keeps, the battery keeps popping out, so it keeps resetting. So guys, we already painted the black line. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it?
Hey, but this one you want all this done, right? Like back so you don't see
Yeah.
Go for it.
So honestly, it's not that bad, guys. It low-key looks carbon fiber. I got my handy dandy Joey. Dust and everything, guys. It's getting pretty late, and we're hungry and tired, so honestly we could do this over again. It's not that long of a process, but we just honestly want to get out of here.
I'm like,
what the fuck, broke boys? Just all across. Let's see how this looks.
Should we take it off?
Yeah, let's do the honors.
Give me a work one. Look at no runs.
Yeah, hit up Joey, guys. No runs. Jeez, what a guy. You see that? See that mirror finish? So honestly, guys, when we clean up all the dust as well, it's gonna look so good. Alright guys, so it turns out we're missing a bracket for right here and over there. So we're gonna run to Lowe's and we're gonna buy something that hopefully we can do like a little hack instead of using brackets. So we'll show you guys what that is. But me and Joey are gonna run to Lowe's real quick and we're gonna get, I think it's called like plumber's tape, but yeah, we'll be able to finesse it with that.
You ready? Let's go.
Yeah, let's go, man. You ready? Pause right hand drive. Just pulled up to Lowe's. So guys, we're fucking slumped. So hopefully we get out of here quick because fuck, man. That's already almost 5. We still got like a 40-minute drive home. Look at my boy. Alright guys, we found it finally. It's like it's about 20 minutes. Now I just need to get some bolts and we'll be on our way. We're finally leaving. We're so slumped, guys. I had to pick up, I don't even drink these guys, but that was the only thing they had. Kickstart Mountain Dew. Give this a try.
Hello, welcome to Wendy's. How can I help you today?
Can we get 2 separate orders?
Okay, what can I get for the first one?
Wow, look at these fucking assholes. Wow, this shit gonna turn green. Look at these fucking, look at that fucking assholes, bro.
Picked up my new wheels right now.
Your new wheels?
Yeah, we just gotta swap them over real quick.
Yeah. What's the specs?
10.5 by, not by, it's 18 by 10.5, or is it 19? I don't know, dude, I just bought them.
Oh shit, you just bought your own other specs though? You just bought them? You got it like that?
They fit.
Damn, Joseph, you picked up new wheels too?
Yes. What? I'm short. We don't
Nah, bro, you're on the double chair, bro.
you went up the double chair.
I wouldn't make it either, to be honest.
I'd be lying if I said I wouldn't.
That shit looks beast.
Like I get it, like,
Alright guys, there's a better look at the diffuser. Damn, that shit looks so aggressive. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. So aggressive. Alright guys, so it's already pretty late. We're about to take off. Been here all day. About to grub, but big shout out to my boy Gil. So guys, remember last time the NSX was like still taking the part? It's almost finished. This thing's about to get crazy paint job. He has the RX-7 in the corner. Like guys, hit him up for like whatever. Honestly, he's a plug. You see, like buffed my door. That shit came out so good, and he does the installs, like everything, like
everything really.
Whatever you guys can think of, guys. Like hit him up. Good ass work, like Elsinore. If you guys need a paint job, like come on, guys. I'll show you guys when this thing's finished. It's gonna look sick.
It's already rubber right there. Yeah.
Andy, slow, Andy, no, back up.
Oh, fuck.
Hold on. You have to angle more.
That was not that bad, y'all trip.
I would have got in way faster. Would have made a lot of noise. Just go for it. Yeah, you're good. Oh. No, you're good. You already got it. You're good.